at a SNAP for students, faculty, and staff to make purchases in your bookstore and dining locations, as well as at unattended locations like vending machines, photocopiers, laser printers, and laundry facilities. The One Card and Tag can be accepted anywhere you like, and the technology interfaces with most existing systems, so you don't need to overhaul the infrastructure you have in place. Heartland's award-winning Give Something Back network makes managing these payments easy. The Give Something Back network powers the One Card system, enabling cardholders to use their One Cards and tags to make purchases. With this program, One Cards and tags are linked to FDIC-insured accounts with one of our partner banks. They're PIN-based prepaid accounts, not credit cards, so cardholders must deposit funds in their accounts to make purchases. There are no overdrafts for normal transaction use, and hence no overdraft fees. Using the card and tag can't harm cardholders' credit histories. Cardholders can make deposits via credit and debit cards, as well as by electronic payments from a checking account online at onecardgivesback.com. Deposits can also be made at any location you designate on campus and at participating merchant locations. Funds can be withdrawn at participating merchants offering cash back and through participating ATMs.